It's coming.
Montgomery square button. Oh, this is awesome.
It's not here yet. Okay, you can try it now.
What kind of doors are these? Peely?
I think they're Corian, I don't know.
This gate is heavy. This kind of does look like a Peely because judging by the window.
Okay.
I'm struggling.
I'm gonna do my tap view.
I didn't mean to slam. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Oh, there's a huge spider. Hit one. Hit two.
Justin is definitely gonna love this. Let me get it.
Yes, Justin will.
JimLiElevator 3219. I'm just want to get a good view of these fixtures, and we'll go back up. Because I don't ever get to see a square button Montgomery every day. All right, let's listen to the motor. Here we go. You want to get off here, or?
We can get off at 1.
Okay.
Hopefully there isn't anyone there. I don't think there.
Yeah, because I like to do a solar ride like I usually do.
Okay.
I need to get my cab view. I think I did, but I don't remember. Can I get off here?
Yeah. You can get your solo run.
Opens right into a parking lot.
Oh, you want to get the inside gate? And
Yeah,
I
sure,
got.
I will. I'll
Okay.
get it.
And there goes Jim Lee.